Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to recover these lithium ion cell that has been damaged due to overcharging current or temperature. I don't know, when I was charging it and one of the cell didn't show any voltage, anything, nothing it shows. So today I will show you how to recover this dead cell using very simple trick. Before you repair this cell, and I must say one thing, these batteries are very dangerous if you handle it improperly, or if you are not experienced enough to use this battery, please don't do this at all. So this is the structure of the lithium ion cell, which shows the top portion of the cell, and you can see at the top we have gaskets here, then positive terminal. The positive terminal is the terminal from which we get the positive supply, and below the positive terminal we have PTC, that is positive temperature coefficient, and below that we have CID. CID is circuit interrupt device, and then below the CID part, and we have pressure vent and CID insulator. The PTC, CID, pressure vent and CID insulator, these are the optional part that it does not include in all the batteries, but I think in my battery it's having the CID. And below I tag mounting disc and crimped case can. So I will tell about the CID. What is CID? CID is a circuit interrupt device, a metal alloy element that changes shape when the temperature rises above a certain point, and by doing so it cuts the positive terminal of the battery. So CID is nothing but a bimetallic plate that is supported by a point. When the plate is cooled, its contact point is connected to the positive terminal, and when the blade is heated due to overcharging current or overdrawing current, the CID is disconnected from the positive terminal. So you can see from here the detailed figure of the CID. It is the top disc, that is the positive terminal, and the bottom disc, that is the bimetallic strip. So when there is a huge large temperature or more temperature, then this CID pop out due to high pressure. Then the battery doesn't show any voltage or anything. So we can recover this battery if we reset the CID. That means if we put it back in the reset position, in the previous position, we can get it done. So how to do this? Let's see. These are 18650 lithium ion battery which I collected from an old power bank, and the power bank is damaged, so my CID popped out. So let's check the voltage of this dead battery. Let me check the voltage. It is showing 0 volt. Now check this voltage, and it is showing, see, it is showing 3.44 volts. See, this is a good battery and it is showing 3.44 volt, but the other battery which I have, this one is showing 0 volt. So we have to repair this battery. So now I will show you how to repair this battery. This one is a good one. So this is the top disc. You can see below the top disc we have CID. So we have to insert a thin screwdriver and we have to pop in this CID. So I will show you how to do this using a small screwdriver. So you will require a small screwdriver, see this one. So, and you will insert it in the hole and press it down. See, I am inserting it and press it downwards, and from the other side also insert it and press it down. One more time. Let me check the voltage now, what it is showing. Oh no, this is showing 0 volt. So we have to, oh, this is showing 0 volt. So we have to try it again. Let me try it again. Insert it, and I will insert it more deeper and press it downward a little bit more. Be careful not to damage the outer cover. So, okay, there we go. Now we will check the voltage. Now what it is showing, it is showing, wow, we have got it with 3.48 volt. See, we have done this. This was the, and let me check this one, the previous one, it is showing 3.44 volt. See this. So we have reset the CID, and now I will charge it. I will also show you how it is charging or not. So I'm charging it using a USB charger, and it is showing around 3.71 volt. So it is charging. So we have successfully reset the CID. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.